Hey guys, Mike, Fab'n, and today we're going to start tearing apart this 77 Beetle. We're going to put it on jack stands and start taking the body bolts off and get it ready to rip the body off the pan. It's not a horrible car, but it needs enough work that I'm not... Actually, it needs less work than the Baja I did last year, but that's okay. This one had a tree fall on it and it busted the headlights, bent some sheet metal, and then plus it had been sitting for years under a tree and got tree sap all over it and started rusting. It was rusting anyway, but really rusting bad back here at where the little eyelet is on the back quarter panels. You can see it. It's bad. It's typical of these VWs. There's foam up inside here and it collects water from this eyelet. But anyway, so we're gonna get it ready to get tore apart and get the body off for our new project. We're gonna once we get the body off, we're gonna completely do new floor pans, new ball joints, upper and lower, left and right, new tie rods, inners and outers, new steering stabilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, inner and outer wheel bearings, front and rear. It's gonna have Porsche disc brakes on it all the way around it. So yeah, it's gonna be a bad to the bone little dude chassis wise. Getting an MP 2-liter, new Rancho transaxle, new MP in a box front beam. So yeah. Anyway, it's gonna be basic. Everything on it, it'll be basically a new car mechanically. So we have new wheels and tires for it, and then we have a new kit car body coming for it. So yeah, anyway, here we go, guys. Okay, we've made a little bit of progress in about an hour's worth of work. Body is loose, but we're gonna have to do something. My tractor will lift it, but it won't lift it up over the seats, so I gotta pull the seats out of it. Should have done that anyway. I gotta get the seats loose and then go from there. But after that, I think she'll come on up out of there. So she's loose everywhere. But yeah, pull the seats out. So yeah, maybe tomorrow. I have a family event I have to get to today, so maybe tomorrow I'll get it off. But typically I have them off in one day, but yeah. So today's taken 1 hour. But anyway, I'll log in tomorrow, guys. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.